Hello, best investors of YouTube. Hey, Dmitry Bonner there. Breaking news. Tesla announced on Monday that it has bought 1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. What does it mean for Tesla stocks and the price of Bitcoin in future? Let's figure out. Bitcoin reached a record after Tesla's announcement, rising more than 10% in Monday morning, trading to above 44,000 per coin, extending its 50% surge so far this year. And the price of Bitcoin has been on quite a run lately, though not quite as good as Tesla shares themselves, but Bitcoin increased in value by 300% in 2020 compared to about 700 rise in Tesla stock. 2 weeks ago, the billionaire Elon Musk added the hashtag Bitcoin to his Twitter bio, a move that helped to briefly push up the price of the cryptocurrency by as much as 20%. And 2 days later, he said on the social media chat Clubhouse, "I do at this point think Bitcoin is a good thing and I'm a supporter of Bitcoin." Earlier, Musk tweeted about Dogecoin, which price skyrocketed after that. I have the video about Dogecoin on my channel, please check it out. So you may ask what happened and why Bitcoin jumped. In a stock market presentation, Tesla said it updated its investment policy in January and now wanted to invest in reserve assets such as digital currencies, gold bars, or gold exchange trade funds. So it seems like they don't know where to put their money. The company disclosed in its annual report on money that it had purchased 1.5 billion worth of the cryptocurrency as a part of initiative began last month. In a filing with Securities and Exchange Commission, the company said that it bought Bitcoin to maximize profitability on cash that is not used in the day-to-day operations of their business. Oh yeah, it added that it expected to begin accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment in the near future. And here we go, domino effect starts. Other companies included the payment processor Square and the business intelligence software provider MicroStrategy have publicly said that they were investing corporate cash in Bitcoin as well. Tesla is perhaps the most prominent company to do so. So I think we are at the beginning of the great domino effect that we will see very soon on the market. Tesla also said it will start accepting payments in Bitcoin in exchange for its products, subject to applicable laws and initially on a limited basis. That would make Tesla the first major automaker in the world to do so. So the 1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin will give Tesla liquidity in the cryptocurrency once it starts accepting it for payments. Tesla move into Bitcoin represent an investment of significant percentage of its cash in the investment. It's a really great company right now. They have a lot of cash, so they want to invest as much as possible. The company had more than 90 billion in cash and cash equivalents on hand at the end of 2020, according to its most recent filing. We believe our Bitcoin holdings are highly liquid. However, digital assets may be the subject to volatile market prices, which may be unfavorable and time when we want or need to liquidate them, said Tesla and Elon Musk. So what does it mean for investors like you and me, guys? Tesla shares were up about 1.5% Monday morning. Tesla's freedom to accept payments in Bitcoin is a kind of option that its competitors may not have available. You may ask why. Other automakers sell vehicles directly to dealerships, which are independent businesses, then that make sales to consumers. But Tesla doesn't have any dealerships. They have only company-owned stores, so it's a really big difference and that really matters. One more thing that is important to understand, since Tesla now owns Bitcoins and by extension all investors who own Tesla or even just the S&P 500 fund also have exposure. So now a great part of Tesla's funds is independent on a price of Bitcoin. And Tesla now is starting to take a lot of risk, in my opinion. This may not worry many investors, but some conservative types of investors may be concerned. So if you are kind of conservative investors, think about this carefully. If you have a very big position in Tesla and you don't want to accept a lot of risk, I think it's a good idea just to decrease your position in Tesla. Although there are some merchants who accept Bitcoin as a form of payment, many require those who want to use Bitcoin for purchases to first convert them to dollars or some other local currencies. The decision by a major company such as Tesla to accept Bitcoin directly for purchase would be an important milestone for the upstart currency and for the whole industry. Bitcoin, which has hit all-time highs in recent months after a roller coaster ride over the past decade, has also received support from a major financial institution this year. And I think you know that world's largest money manager BlackRock recently changed a handful of investment orders to allow some of its funds and clients to invest into cryptocurrency. However, be careful, central banks remain very skeptical of digital currencies, and in October, Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey warned about using Bitcoin as a payment method. He said that it's hard to see that Bitcoin has what we usually call intrinsic value, and added the investors should realize that its price is extremely volatile. I would agree with him in some context. All in all, I think we are at the beginning of a big domino effect. Investors and other industry watchers will be watching this closely to see if other corporations follow the lead of Tesla on the crypto path, or does it remain a contained few names that make the strategic jump around Bitcoin? That's my news about Tesla and Bitcoin, and I think we are right at the beginning of a new big story. Consider to subscribe, click like button if you want to be a part of my channel. Have a good day, guys.